What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Never Enough. Nah, fuck that. Alright, I found the problem, I think, with the temp sensor wire. It's pretty hashed. It's all taped up and there's all that copper showing. I don't know, that wasn't even really fitting on there tight no more. So what I'm doing is I nip the plastic out of that. I'm gonna make a new connector, cut this wire back to here. It reaches no problem. Get rid of all this bad wire here, and then so push that on there. Needs opened up just a little more. But I'll get this done. Get this temp sensor wire fixed. Zip tie some spark plug wires. Then I got to fix that exhaust donut. I did get that filed off. It's a lot better. I snipped this off, and it's real tough to get on there, so I'm spreading it with a pair of needle nose. So I'm letting that sit for a minute. So I'll get this done and be back to you in a second. Oh, let me turn this radio down, guys. Okay. All right, well, getting things pretty much wrapped up here, but that's nasty. That's what's left after I turkey basted. So we're gonna get the rest of this out, get this master cylinder cleaned up, get some fresh brake fluid in there. Let's soak the rest of this up with this rag. Then I'll get some fresh brake fluid in it, get the brakes brakes bled. And then I guess exhaust donut. About an hour or so, we might be taking this thing for a quick little cruise to see what all's wrong with it after that. I know the power steering's leaking. This has a power assist type cylinder on it like an old Ford truck would have. You have your steering box. I'll show you down here. You have your steering box right there, and then two hoses come off of it and go up to this cylinder right here. And it's leaking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a new cylinder, new hoses. Hopefully that fixes us up, and then we'll go from there. But for now, we got to deal with the brakes. Then we'll fix that exhaust leak on that side, and we'll go from there. I'll be talking to you guys in a minute. She's coming along though. All right, we got the brakes bled. Gotta love the self-bleeders. You don't need someone in the shop helping you with those little kits. They're nice. Okay, she done. Got brakes. All that's left is that pesky exhaust donut. And then I think I'm gonna run it up just to the gas station and up to the truck stop, and I'm gonna put some fuel in it. And hopefully the gas gauge isn't working right now, but hopefully it does when I put fuel in it. It doesn't have much in it now, so. All right, we'll talk to you in a few, and then hopefully next time I turn the camera on, hopefully I'll be backing this thing out of the garage. Talk to you in a second. Alrighty, well, I got the side pipe, which I'm glad I fit almost. That thing was about ready to fall off. It's fixed, but I checked the other one, and it was a little loose too, but the other one's leaking, so I might have to get another donut and fix it. We'll see. We're gonna take it up right now. Wife's gonna hold the camera. Get up there. Clutch seems nice. Okay. Let's check brakes before we get anywhere. slow on the dirt driveway. Don't be kicking rocks all over her. Brakes are working good. God, I love M22 4 speeds. Close ratio. That is awesome. Boy, she got a lot of torque. That big motor. Challenger, he was staring. Speedometer's working. This guy's coming up on me all fast. Must be going too slow. Sorry, dude, I'm not gonna haul butt just for you. Looks like it's coming up. Good oil pressure.
I can't tell, did you?
You're pointing that out the window. That's at me.
That's at you.
Yeah. And you can point forward too. You know, not right now, but.
Oh, just tell me when.
Blinkers are working. That's a good thing. Gas, I think.
There's gas. Did you bring your phone?
Nope. We're stuck. I didn't bring my damn phone. Alright, well, it left me stranded. Over here on the side of the road, it looks like fuel filter's clogged. I should have known better. I should have known better. Alrighty. Alright, we got the vet home.
That was quite an adventure.
It was an adventure.
2 miles.
But the vet is home safe and sound. It sure acted like a fuel starvation problem. And you know, I haven't rebuilt this carburetor yet because it was running so good and idle, and I figured I'd just see how bad it was. Well, right here is the fuel filter. It's the only fuel filter on this car. So I'm guessing it's all gunked up from, you know, for sitting for 10 years. I should have looked at it. It's my bad. It's my own fault. I basically stranded myself. I should have known better. So anyway, I'm gonna change that fuel filter, get it clean it out. I'll clean that thing off and check it out and see if that's something, or maybe it's just the fuel pump's giving up. Maybe the diaphragm shot from sitting. Could be that. So I'll let you know as soon as I get something taken apart to find out. Well, I found the culprit. This fuel filter right here, it's all twisted. As you can see, you untwist it, you can blow through it. Leave it like it is, you can't blow through it. So that's why I was stuck on the side of the road. James and I just took it for a successful cruise up to put gas in it. And other than needing the carburetor rebuild, it's not too bad, huh, James? Yeah, neat little car. Anyway, we still got more work to do. We got to do the power steering yet. What else was there? The power steering. I want to do belts. Something else. I'm trying to remember what it was. I'll think of it. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon.